This is the BOYA Magic, and it is quite possibly the most versatile microphone on the market today, offering 4 different shooting methods from one device, and I'm really excited to test it out. Now, for all of the audio in this video, I am using the BOYA Magic. You can see I have one of its microphones right here, clipped onto my shirt so you can hear its audio quality. But before I jump into the review, I do want to say thank you to all my subscribers out there. Really appreciate all your support. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing so along with hitting that like button on this video. They're quick, free, easy ways that you can help support the channel, and it is much appreciated. Now, what really makes the BOYA Magic stand out is its versatility. Typically, you have a different microphone for different situations. So, for example, I have a desktop microphone for like podcasting. I have a clip-on microphone that I wear when I'm doing different reviews and things like that. Well, the BOYA Magic combines everything into one device, and it has some really nice features. So we've got a handheld mic, a desktop mic, an on-camera mic, and a wireless clip-on lapel mic. And again, that's all in one device. It's really convenient. Taking it out of the packaging, I have the tabletop stand here. It comes with various cables and connectors. It does work with Android and iPhone, a variety of cameras, as well as computers. It comes with windscreens, a carrying case, and the device itself. Looking at it up close, it feels very high quality and well built. You can see the bottom USB-C connector here that connects to your phone. So that's handy that it's stored there. It also has one with a lightning connector available as well. And this cover here comes off to access the 2 lapel mics. And yeah, that looks good. There's also their app that's called BOYA Central that works very well. It allows you to adjust the gain, noise cancellation level, recording mode, safety track, adjust the equalizer, update your firmware, that sort of thing. And its noise cancellation is very powerful. They call it BOYA Intelligence, and it's trained on over 700,000 noise examples to block out up to 40 decibels of unwanted noise, and it works very well. I have some background noise playing on my computer just to give you guys a feel for how well it does work. This right now is with the noise cancellation off. That turns green. Now this is with the noise cancellation on, and it is a huge difference. I'm very impressed with it. The BOYA Magic records studio quality audio with 48 kilohertz 24-bit recording, a high 80 decibel to signal noise ratio, full range recording from 20 hertz all the way to 20 kilohertz, and a pretty high maximum sound pressure level of 115 decibels. The safety track feature I mentioned also is really nice to have. It has a built-in limiter to prevent distortion from sudden loud noises, and it records a backup track at minus 12 decibels to prevent clipping. With some other microphones, I have experienced clipping, so I'm excited to have that functionality built into this to have the safety track so you don't lose that audio. As for battery life, each microphone has up to 6 hours of battery life, and with the case, it extends the battery life to up to 30 hours, which is really impressive, and it does seem realistic. I've had no issues with battery life in my testing. So overall, I'm very impressed with the BOYA Magic microphone, and honestly, it's going to be my go-to microphone moving forward for basically all my content. And it also is very highly rated from their customers as well. Currently on their website, it is rated a 4.89 out of 5 stars with over 100 reviews, which is really good to see. As for pricing, it is actually really competitive. It starts at only $90. If you need additional adapters and cables, it's a little bit more, but not much, and it's very inexpensive. And honestly, for what you get, that's a great price for a really nice microphone setup. That's especially true considering it gives you the flexibility to have a clip-on mic, a handheld mic, a desktop mic, and a camera mic all in one device. Now, real quick, I wanted to do one last audio sample for you guys, being that I'm outside on this kind of windy day with trees behind me, and I wanted you guys to hear how well the noise cancellation actually works. Right now, I have no protection for the microphone from the wind, and it is doing a great job canceling out all the background noise. I've tested it. I know it sounds great, so I just wanted to share this with you guys. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions about it. Definitely check out the links in the description to pick one up for yourself. I highly recommend it. And as always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content. I have a lot on the way. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.